This video is part 2 of a 2-part series explaining what first-time homebuyers should expect when purchasing a home. If you missed part 1, subscribe to the channel and check it out so you don't miss out on any crucial information. Hello, I'm United States Air Force retired Corey Hodge with Keller Williams Realty Suburban Tampa. I help buyers and sellers all over the Tampa Bay area. If you received an assignment to MacDill Air Force Base or looking to buy or sell your home, I would love to be your realtor. You can contact me by clicking the link in the pinned comment below. And if you're watching this, I really need your help. Please help me grow the channel by liking this video and clicking the subscribe button. My goal is to get this information out to the buyers and sellers who need to see it. Now, let's get into it. A professional home inspection is one of the most important parts of the buying process. An inspector evaluates the property's visible and accessible components and identifies potential defects, safety concerns, maintenance issues, and items that may require additional evaluation. A home inspection is not a guarantee that nothing will ever go wrong with the property. Instead, it provides valuable information about the home's condition at the time of inspection. Depending on the property and location, additional inspections may be appropriate for termites or other wood-destroying organisms, sewer systems, septic systems, wells, pools, roofs, mold concerns, or other specialized areas. In Florida, buyers may also want to obtain wind mitigation and 4-point inspections when applicable, because these reports can affect homeowners' insurance, eligibility, and premiums. A 4-point inspection generally focuses on the roof, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems, particularly in older homes. After inspections, your options depend on the contract terms. You may be able to request repairs, negotiate a credit, accept the property in its current condition, or terminate the contract if allowed under your agreement. Not every minor issue should automatically become a deal breaker, but major structural problems, insurance concerns, expensive repairs, and safety hazards deserve careful consideration. If you are financing your purchase, your lender will typically require an appraisal. The appraiser provides an independent opinion of the property's value based on factors such as condition, location, features, and comparable sales. The appraisal helps the lender determine whether the property provides sufficient collateral for the mortgage. An appraisal is different from a home inspection. The home inspection focuses primarily on the property's condition, while the appraisal focuses primarily on value for lending purposes, although certain loan programs may have additional property requirements. At the same time, your mortgage will move through underwriting. The underwriter reviews your financial information and the property documentation to determine whether the loan meets applicable requirements. You may be asked to provide updated bank statements, pay stubs, tax documents, letters of explanation, or documentation regarding deposits. During this period, avoid making major financial changes without first speaking with your lender. Do not open new credit cards, finance furniture, purchase a vehicle, change jobs unnecessarily, co-sign a loan, or move large amounts of money between accounts without discussing the potential impact. Your lender may recheck your credit and verify your financial situation before closing, and significant changes could affect loan approval. The down payment is not the only upfront expense associated with purchasing a home. Buyers may also be responsible for closing costs, prepaid expenses, escrow deposits, inspections, appraisal fees, and other costs. Closing costs can include lender fees, title-related expenses, recording fees, prepaid interest, homeowners insurance, property tax adjustments, and other charges. The exact amount varies depending on the loan, property, location, lender, insurance requirements, contract terms, and other circumstances. Your lender will provide disclosures that estimate your costs and loan terms. Before closing, you should receive a closing disclosure that provides important details about the monthly mortgage payment, loan costs, and cash needed to close. Review this document carefully and ask questions about anything you do not understand. First-time buyers should avoid spending every dollar they have just to complete the purchase. Homeownership comes with unexpected expenses, and maintaining an emergency fund after closing can provide valuable financial protection. Appliances can fail, plumbing issues can occur, and repairs may be necessary. Having cash reserves can help prevent a routine home repair from becoming a financial crisis. Your mortgage payment may be the largest monthly cost of owning a home, but it is not the only one. Buyers need to consider property taxes, homeowners insurance, mortgage insurance when applicable, HOA fees, CDD assessments where applicable, utilities, maintenance, repairs, lawn care, pest control, and other recurring expenses. In Florida, homeowners insurance is very important. Premiums can vary significantly depending on the home's location, roof age, construction type, wind mitigation features, flood exposure, and insurer eligibility requirements. It is wise to obtain insurance quotes early during the contract period, rather than waiting until shortly before closing. Flood insurance is another important consideration. Standard homeowners insurance generally does not cover flooding. A lender may require flood insurance for certain properties, but even when it is not required, buyers should evaluate their individual flood risk and coverage options. Property taxes can also be misunderstood by first-time buyers. The taxes currently paid by the seller would not accurately represent what you will pay after purchasing the property. Changes in ownership, assessed value, exemptions, and local tax rules can affect future property taxes. Buyers should research estimated future taxes rather than relying solely on the seller's current tax bill. Shortly before closing, you will typically conduct a final walkthrough of the property. This is not a second full home inspection. The purpose is generally to confirm that the property remains in good condition. Agreed upon repairs have been completed when applicable, and items included in the sale remain at the property. During the final walkthrough, check that the home has not suffered significant new damage. Verify that major systems and appliances included in the sale appear to be present, and confirm that the seller has removed personal belongings as required by the contract. On closing day, you will sign the final documents necessary to complete the purchase. Upon completion of the closing, funds will be transferred, documents will be recorded, and ownership of the home will change hands. Once all closing requirements have been completed, you receive the keys to your first home. Closing is a major accomplishment, but it is also the beginning of your responsibilities as a homeowner. Keep copies of important documents, understand your mortgage payment schedule, know when property taxes and insurance are due, and begin planning for regular maintenance. One of the biggest mistakes first-time buyers make is shopping for homes before understanding their finances. Falling in love with a property outside your comfortable budget can create disappointment or lead to poor financial decisions. Start with the numbers first. Another common mistake is focusing only on the purchase price rather than the complete monthly payment and total cost of ownership. Two homes with similar prices can have dramatically different monthly expenses because of property taxes, insurance, HOA fees, CDD assessments, flood insurance, or maintenance requirements. Buyers should also avoid making major financial changes during the mortgage process. New debts, missed payments, unexplained bank deposits, employment changes, and large credit purchases can complicate underwriting and potentially jeopardize financing. Skipping inspections simply to make an offer more attractive can increase risk. Every transaction is different, and buyers should understand exactly what protections they are giving up before waiving any contingency or due diligence. Finally, do not allow fear or pressure to rush you into buying the wrong property. At the same time, understand that no home is perfect. The goal is not necessarily to find a house with zero imperfections. The goal is to find a home that meets your important needs, fits your financial plan, and represents a decision you can confidently live with. Buying your first home can seem overwhelming, but the process becomes much easier when you understand each step and have the right professionals working with you. Start by reviewing your finances, establishing a comfortable budget, and speaking with a qualified mortgage lender. From there, work with a knowledgeable real estate professional who can help you navigate the local market, evaluate properties, prepare offers, negotiate terms, and manage the transaction from contract to closing. Remember that buying a home is about more than simply qualifying for a mortgage. You should understand the complete monthly payment, upfront cash requirements, insurance costs, taxes, community fees, maintenance expenses, and potential repairs. A home should support your lifestyle and financial goals, rather than create unnecessary financial stress. If you are a first-time home buyer thinking about purchasing a home in the Tampa Bay area, or you are relocating to the area because of a military assignment to MacDill Air Force Base. I would love the opportunity to help you navigate the process, from choosing the right community to understanding your finances and negotiating your purchase. Having local guidance can make a major difference. If you found this first-time homebuyer guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the Suburban Tampa Lifestyle channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss future videos about buying a home, relocating to Tampa, and living in the Tampa Bay area. If you are planning to buy or sell a home, you can contact me by clicking the link in the pinned comment below. I'll be happy to help you make your next move. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.